Alright, Skillblight here. Picked up this Fiskars extends to 16 foot power level extendable tree pruner from a local hardware store, and I have cut the plastic open and pulled out what I was hoping to be the instructions. Nope. You just got that little bit on the back, which really doesn't show you a whole lot. So in this video, I will show you how to put this thing together and how to use it, and we'll do a review on it to see if it's really worth the money. Open this thing up. Woo! That is a sharp, really sharp blade. Here's where it'll prune. Alright, I'm gonna have to get some pliers to undo that. This is a handle, I believe. Where's the instructions? This wing nut goes onto this carriage bolt, and you loosen it, you can then move it. It's got a couple of different positions you can put it in. You can also take it off, and yes, this is actually a handle. It'll go like so. Put it here. So there really isn't much assembly that you have to do. This is the 16-foot one. This handle is fiberglass. This honestly feels like aluminum, but it doesn't actually say what it is. To tighten this, you gotta hold here and then tighten. And this, I'm gonna assume, will also, if I turn it the right way, extend so you get 16 feet. And again, you gotta hold it. All right, now unfortunately you can't see this. Yes, 16 feet. It does flex. Alright, a couple things. Wear some safety glasses, or at least sunglasses or something if you're working on something that's over your head, and try not to stand directly under it. So first, I'll show you how to use the pruner. You see the hook right here? It's about an inch. It'll actually do about an inch. Be careful sticking your finger in there, it's really sharp. So what I'm going to do, let's see, let me start with this one. Let's put it over the little limb. Now the trick with this handle has a serrated area underneath. So what you do is you bring it under like so, and then like that. It is that easy. So now I need a little more room with the handle. Readjust the handle. Hook it. So the rope inside the handle again. Can you see that? That's about it. That's a good inch. And it just took it right down. Nothing to it. So next, we're gonna get one of those branches. I have the blade here on the most straight, and I think that'll be fine with this branch. If you need to angle it more to start, you can. That'll get it more at the top. But I don't think we'll need to on this. And let me just get this string out of the way. I should say rope. It's not exactly a string, but if you can, try not to be right underneath it. And I am going to have to lengthen it. Let's see if I can do it here. It only cuts when you pull down. It does not cut pushing. You can see that there is some flex. But all the cutting is on the pull. And this is a dead branch on this cherry tree. You can see it's about to go. You cannot do undercuts with this. There. And that's it. Works actually really well. And very happy with it. Definitely recommend it. I will put a link in the description for this model. If you want to pick one up, I do highly recommend them, and that's how you use them, and they do work. So thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.